How to unlock Facebook account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in order to recover a locked account, go to your preferred browser and then search for Facebook Help Center. After that, open your Help Center. Then you will have to search for my account is locked. Your account might have been locked because you might have accidentally or unknowingly violated some of Facebook's privacy and guidelines. So simply search for lock and then you will get several articles related to locked account. Simply go to locked account and you will also get necessary solutions with your problem. As you can see, my Facebook account is locked and I am not getting phone or email codes when trying to confirm your account. If this is your case, go to this blog or this article from your Facebook Help Center and scroll down, and then it will tell you what to do. So, as you can see, sometimes the confirmation codes may take longer to arrive. If you have requested several codes already, wait a day before trying again. Make sure your phone's network connection is stable, and then also make sure your phone has enough space to receive an SMS. Try restarting your phone and it will solve your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.